Okay, so css.lint.idSelector. Um, selectors should not contain IDs because these rules are too tightly coupled with the HTML. Now, there's a fair amount of controversy in regards to this. Some people say yes, you should use IDs. Other people say no, they just make CSS harder to maintain. Me personally, I haven't come across an argument in favor of IDs that wouldn't make things the same or better by using a class instead of the ID. So, but make up your own mind. Read the arguments from both sides and see examples. Use it and try using IDs, then try using classes, and think for yourself and make up your own mind. To me, I think it's a good idea to not use IDs or to avoid using IDs in your CSS. So I wouldn't consider it an error per se, but I want my VS Code to give me a warning that there's an ID there, so I can try and see if I can remove it and transform that into a class.